The name of the Lord is The name of the Lord is a strong tower. I run in and I am safe. When everything around me is changing, you are still my hiding place. Gas is high, groceries keep climbing. Trying to hold it together, but it's getting heavy. People losing jobs, doors closing fast, and I'm asking, how long will this last? Where am I supposed to turn when it feels like there's no relief inside? I don't fight this on my own. I run to Jehovah Sabaoth. I run where your strength and your peace are found. You are my refuge, my shelter in the rain. You are my covering, even in the strain. No matter what surrounds me, I will not be afraid. Never afraid. Your name is my protection. Your presence is my dwelling place. I run to you. I run to you. Jehovah Sabaoth. Straight into the safety of your truth. Walls may fall, but you remain. You are steady. You don't change. I am covered, I am known. I am never left alone. Strong tower, I run in. Jehovah Sabaoth. My shelter, my Lord, my Redeemer. Jehovah Sabaoth. Jehovah Sabaoth.